Let me ask you something, my friend. When was the last time you woke up feeling truly alive, with strong, solid morning energy that made you feel young again? Be honest. For most men past 60, that signal quietly fades away. Some say it's been months, others can't even remember the last time, and most just assume it's normal aging. But that's not the full story. You see, those morning erections aren't just about intimacy, they're a reflection of your inner health. It's like your body's natural check-in system, a daily report card for your blood flow, hormones, and nerves. No doctor's visit, no expensive tests, just your body giving you feedback every morning. And the good news? You can bring that signal back, naturally, not through dangerous pills or painful procedures, but with two powerful nutrients that quietly work while you sleep. These vitamins restore circulation, balance your hormones, and help you wake up feeling confident, energized, and strong again. But before we go deeper, can I ask a quick favor? If you enjoy health tips that help men regain control over their energy and masculinity, hit that like button and subscribe to Stoic Pro. And let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing men from all over the world taking their health seriously and stepping into their strength again. Now, most guys believe that weaker or missing morning erections are just a sign of getting older. But that's one of the biggest myths out there. The truth is, it's your body's way of whispering that something's off, long before major issues show up. Morning erections depend on three key systems working together. Healthy blood vessels that can open wide and flow freely, steady testosterone production that peaks while you sleep, and sharp nerve communication between your brain and your body. When even one of those systems slows down, your body starts sending weaker signals. It's not just about the bedroom. It's a warning flag for your heart, your circulation, and your hormonal health. Ignoring it is like ignoring that glowing check engine light on your dashboard. You might keep going for a while, but something inside is struggling. Now, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Luna, a board-certified urologist with nearly a decade of experience helping men rebuild their health, confidence, and vitality, naturally. And what I'm about to share with you isn't hype. It's rooted in real science and experience. Because morning wood isn't simply about performance. It's a reflection of your life force. It's about waking up with energy, drive, and peace of mind, knowing your body is doing what it's designed to do. And today, I'll reveal how two overlooked vitamins can help reignite that natural process while you sleep. So let's count them down. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3, the master hormone booster. Most men have heard of vitamin D3 as the bone vitamin, but it's far more powerful than that. Inside your body, D3 behaves like a master hormone, not just a nutrient. It's responsible for triggering the Leydig cells in your testicles to produce testosterone. It supports your arteries, keeping them flexible and wide. It even reduces silent inflammation that can stiffen your blood vessels and irritate your prostate. When D3 levels drop, men often describe feeling drained, low motivation, low interest, low confidence. And when levels are restored, they say, "Doctor, I feel like myself again." Over half of men over 60 are deficient in vitamin D3, mainly because they get less sunlight, spend more time indoors, and carry extra belly fat that traps D3 away from circulation. Here's the key. D3 works best at night, taken with a little healthy fat. Why? Because your body naturally produces testosterone while you sleep, usually between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. That's also when your blood vessels and tissues repair themselves. If you take D3 in the morning, you miss that critical window. But when you take it with dinner, say with salmon or avocado, you're giving your body what it needs exactly when it's rebuilding. The result? Healthier hormone levels, smoother blood flow, and a stronger, more confident start to your day. Vitamin number 1, vitamin K. 2, the calcium traffic controller. If vitamin D3 is the engine, vitamin K2 is the steering wheel. And you need both to move in the right direction. Here's why. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Great for your bones, but that same calcium can end up in your arteries if it's not directed properly. That's where K2 comes in. It activates special proteins that guide calcium into your bones and teeth and keep it out of your blood vessels. Without K2, calcium can harden your arteries over time. But with it, your arteries stay soft, open, and elastic, which is exactly what you need for healthy blood flow and natural erections. Emotionally, when your body doesn't respond the way it used to, it chips away at your confidence. K2 helps fix that at the root level by protecting your circulation and letting your body perform like it's meant to. Just like D3, K2 is fat-soluble. That means it absorbs best with a meal that includes healthy fats, like olive oil, grass-fed butter, or salmon. Taken together at night, D3 and K2 work in perfect harmony, restoring your body's rhythm, repairing your vessels, and boosting your testosterone levels naturally. Your simple nighttime plan. Here's what you can do starting tonight. With dinner, take a high-quality supplement that includes both vitamin D3 and K2. The combination works far better than either one alone. Pair it with healthy fats. This helps both vitamins absorb efficiently and deliver results faster. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Remember, blood flow is everything, and blood is about 50% water. Thicker blood means slower circulation. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. No supplement can beat poor rest. Your hormones and blood vessels repair while you sleep. Stay consistent. Give it a few weeks. Most men notice more energy, better mood, and yes, stronger morning performance within 2 to 3 weeks. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't about trying to relive your 25-year-old days. It's about reclaiming your strength, dignity, and confidence as a man. You deserve to wake up feeling alive, with proof that your body still has power, vitality, and purpose. And it doesn't take dangerous drugs or expensive treatments to get there, just the right nutrients, taken smartly, at the right time. Every week, I see men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who think their best years are over, and they're proven wrong. Once they start giving their body what it's been missing, everything changes. So if you're ready to take back control, start tonight. 2 vitamins, 1 simple habit, a small decision that could completely transform your mornings and your life. Because aging doesn't mean losing vitality. Your body still wants to perform, it just needs the right support. I'm Dr. Luna, and I want to remind you, confidence and energy don't retire with age. With the right mindset and small daily choices, they grow stronger. If this message inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Stoic Pro for more life-changing health insights, and drop a comment below. Tell me where you're watching from and what step you're taking tonight to reclaim your health. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.